Hello everyone, I am teacher Nadia from NADIA'S Phonics school. How are you? Hope you are good, you are fine. Today I am here, I brought a lesson for the teachers. Not for the kids, for the teachers. I am here with some techniques, some strategies of lesson. Right? How we can use some techniques, some strategies for the teaching. So, my dear teachers, today I will share you some techniques and strategies of the lesson. How we can deliver our lesson, how we can involve the children in the lesson, and how we can make our lesson effective, how we can make our lesson forever for the children. See, here I have some points. First, what we have to do? We have to select the content. See, we have to select the content, right? Before going to the class, we should select, we have to do our homework for the children, how we can and what we have to do and how we have to do the lesson with the children. First we will select our content, right? If I am going to teach any alphabet or a concept of this and that, or concept of A and R, A and N, so we have to select the content, what we are going to teach the children, right? So this is our first point, right? Then what we have to do? Number second, when we select the content, if I select the content of a reading, I am going to select a content, I am going to select the topic reading of a paragraph, right? So what we have to do first? First I will do my lesson plan. I will plan my lesson. How? I will plan how I will teach the students, when I will enter the class, what I will do, which kind of AV aids I have, and what the knowledge basically we have. You have knowledge of that topic when you are going to the class. When children will ask you a question, you have enough knowledge to tell them the answer, right? First I will plan my lesson. You should plan your lesson nicely, how you will deliver your lesson. So number third, attitude. Being a human being, we have lots of worries, lots of problems in our life at home. We should keep away all the things beside. When we enter the class, we should be very enter the class with a very good attitude, with a happy smiley face, and only we should focus our children and focus our lesson, what we are going to deliver our lesson, right? So we should take care of our attitude. Okay, then respect and care. How we shall give respect to our children. When you enter the class, when you greet the children, good morning dear students, this is first step, what you are teaching the students to giving respect and care. Because when you will greet the children, children will learn this. We have to greet our elders, we have to greet our youngers, we have to greet our teachers, even we have to greet our ancillary staff, and we have to greet our even workers at home. It's a good value which you are going to teach your students, right? Respect and care. You should greet your children, and then we should ask their welfare. How are you? Are you fine? Are you happy? Are you good? How is the day? Huh? These kind of things are very important for the children, right? And if they are very small, and if their moods are not happy, we can go to them and we can ask them, what is the problem, bete? Why you are sad? Why you are not happy? What is the problem? So it's come for care, right? We show our care to the children, right? And when we greet to the children, when we ask the welfare, we are giving respect to our children. Okay. Then motivation. These steps: select the content, then I will plan my lesson at home. This is my homework. And when I enter the class, this is my attitude, that I put all my things, I keep away my all worries, all problems, all things at home, at the back. And I am just for the children. My lesson is just for the children. And then respect and care. When I enter the class, we greet them happily, smiley with smiley face, and ask their welfare. This is the respect and care. So fourth one step, the motivation. Motivation. How you motivate your children? If your children are very small, and if they are upper level, we can sing any poem. We can sing any poem, we can sing any song, national song, we can ask them about the previous knowledge, what we have learned yesterday. So what is this? If I have topic reading, and reading topic is pollution, so I can ask some question about that topic, right? And if I have letter J for the nursery kids, so I will sing a poem for them. Why? Which poem? Okay, I will sing for you also, with very happy face, with actions. And I want to tell you, my dear teachers, that we should have a very good singer, a very good actor, and very good writer in ourselves, because it's very good for our children. We should be creative. So when we can see the creativeness in our children, right? And if I'm going to teach them a letter J, so what I will do with them? I will sing a poem. Jelly in the bowl, jelly in the bowl, whipple wobble, jelly in the bowl, jelly in the spoon, jelly in the spoon, whipple wobble, jelly in the spoon, jelly in the tummy, jelly in the tummy, whipple wobble, jelly in the tummy, jelly on the floor, oh, jelly on the floor, oh, whipple wobble, jelly on the floor. Yes, when you ask your children, stand up everyone, we shall sing a poem, and when we shall sing a poem with the children, they will be very happy. If they are lazy, if they are sleepy, if they are not happy, they will be happy and they will be active to learn, right? So that's why we call this topic motivation. You are going to motivate your children to learn the topic, right? That's good. So yes, this is the motivation. So now what is the next step? Our next step is lesson proper. Yes, When we motivate our children to learn, then we will introduce our topic, what we are going to learn. Then we will do the lesson proper with them. How? According to the topic. Today I have a reading, then I will do the model reading, right? I will first I will teach them the difficult words, then maybe I will put some difficult words around my class here and there. Then I ask them, when I will do the model reading, first I will do the model reading, you will listen, put your fingertip on the words, right? And I will read for you, and then one set of the words I will place them in the class, and the other set of the words I will put them on the, I will place them on the board, and then I will ask them, when I will read the lesson, right? When I will read the lesson, first I will taught them the difficult words, right? Then I will paste them on the board and I will paste them around the class. I will ask them, yes, these are the difficult words. When these words will come in the reading, you have to say bang and raise your hand. Then they will be active. They will listen you carefully, right? You will apply the listening skill here, right? Then in the reading, you will apply the listening skill here, right? So definitely they will listen you and they will respond you. They will give you response. Yes, when you will ask them, when I will come to this word, you have to put your you will have to put your hand up, or you have to say it bang bang or something else, right? So this is the lesson proper. You deliver your lesson to them, right? And what the next step, which is very important, when you deliver your lesson, then you will involve them through activity. How you will involve them? When they will involve in the lesson, they will learn very nicely. How? Through activities. Through activities. And in the reading, we select the topic reading. Which activities we are going to do? Yes, these words which I placed around the class, when I will read the lesson, I will tell them, okay, you have to pick them up and you have to paste them on the board. Which word I will come to, right? For example, I have put help, word help on the board or on the chair. So when I will come to this line, Peter helped Jane. So children go to the class, see the word, search the word, where is help, word help. He will or she will pick it up and then put it on the board. This is the activity. You can create another activity, because we are teachers, we are creator also, right? We should create very innovative activities, very interesting activities, and we should involve our children actively. How they are participating actively in the lesson, right? So we should have some activities for the students about the topic, right? Then they will when they will have activities about the topic, they will learn very nicely and forever, right? For forever, they will not forget that topic. Then, my dear, reward. This is very important. This is very important. Encourage your students to involve. Encourage your students to give you the answer. Encourage your students which they are backbenchers. And encourage your students. They are quiet. Those who are quiet, very quiet, they are confused, they are not very confident. You are the one, my dear teachers, those who give the confidence to the children. Definitely parents are also important, but the teacher is a very active role. They are very important. They are very important to give the confidence to the children. How we can give the confidence to our children? To give them reward. How? If they give us answer, we should give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. That's very good. You are nice. This is very good answer. Right? You are a good child. And the thing I want to discuss, don't label your child. सारा टाइम तुम चुप करके बैठे रहते हो. All the time you are very quiet. I don't like this. I don't like you. All the time motivate them. All the time encourage them. You can give me answer, बेटे. Maybe आपके दिल में सही जवाब हो और you are not speaking. अगर ठीक नहीं भी होगा तो मैं आपको कुछ नहीं कहूंगी. I will correct you. मैं आपको आपकी correction करूंगी. Then your children will get confidence to speak. Yes. And if they will speak in front of you, definitely they can speak everywhere. Anywhere. कहीं भी बोल सकते हैं, हर जगह बोल सकते हैं. If they speak in front of us, because we are the teachers, they should get confidence. And my dear, when they will get confidence? When we will give them reward. Yes, my child is very good. My student is very nice. You can tell me. You can give you the answer. You are a good student. You can do this. Then definitely they can do. Right? And it will be very, we will also feel proud when our weak students will get confidence. Yes, कितना अच्छा लगेगा जिसको कल तक लोग कह रहे थे इसको पढ़ना नहीं आता, इसको लिखना नहीं आता, ये कभी नहीं बोलता, ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है. जब आप एक अच्छा टीचर उसको ये सारी चीजें देगा, ये सारी स्ट्रेटजीज उसके लिए अपनाएगा, and when he or she will give him or her reward, so then he will get confidence, he or she will get confidence. Right? Okay, my dear teachers, you should give appreciation to your children. Appreciation is very important, right? So when we go with the activities, we will go to the rewards if our children will give us good answer. Then at the end, what we have to do, we have to assess our lesson. How we have to do our lesson? We shall assess our lesson. See, if I have done reading with them, how I assess my children? How I assess? I will call one child in front of the class and I will ask him or her, please read 2 lines. Then after her or him, yes beta, you will come here, you will read 2 or 3 lines, then you will come and you will read 2 or 3 lines. And how I will evaluate? I will give them homework. Homework is very important. Then I will give them homework. You have to read at home, this passage read at home, learn it properly. When you will come to the next day, I will definitely ask you. Then you will read, and then they will come to the next day, we should ask them to read. And when we ask them to read, they will definitely read at home. And if we forget, we will not listen the reading, they will not read next time at home. because they will say yes teacher तो सुनती नहीं है, रोज मैं घर पे पढ़ के जाता हूँ, रीडिंग इतनी याद करता हूँ, इतनी याद करता हूँ, बट टीचर नहीं सुनती. We should must listen the reading. Reading is very important. When they read, then they can speak, then they can write, right? So first listening is very important, then reading is very important, then they will write, and then they will speak. Okay, so my dear teachers, today we have done with the strategy of the lessons, lesson plan, how we will give our good lesson to our children, and how it will be very effective to our children, for our children. देखिए, first we will select the content, plan our lesson, then our attitude, how we enter the class, how we are giving, what gesture we are giving to our children. Then we will give them the respect and care. Then motivation. Definitely we should motivate our children to learn the lesson, which topic we have bring them for them. Then lesson proper. We have to deliver our lesson very widely, very nicely, very actively. Then activities. Then involve our children through activities in your lesson. Then give reward them to them. Then we should give them reward. We shall appreciate them, right? When they give us answer, when they give us good good response. Then assessment. At the last we will assess our lesson, how they learn, what they are learning from us. So we will get the idea, we shall get the idea how they are learning. So my dear teachers, hope you like my video, because the next video I shall bring for you for the management of the class. So keep watching Nadia's Phonics School, and like my videos, subscribe my channel, and my dear teachers, keep watching my channel Nadia's Phonics School. Thank you. God bless you all.